Bike is ready. Welsh weather is very ready for us. My wife is more ready than me. I need a toilet, but it's too late, so we keep it. Some extra weight today. Hello. Wish me luck.
The motor. Yeah, all wet. Huh? Was good?
It's harder.
Harder.
This side is harder, it's all the way around. There is a steep, nasty, slippery rock here. If I'm not gonna make it there, I made it actually almost perfect. Almost perfect. Bit of struggle, but I'll just slow down. 10% less than yesterday. I just enjoy riding anymore, and it's going smoother. Fight less with the bike. Terrain is more difficult, but I'm less tired. Just slow down, tiny bit. 1%. That's enough. I'm ready. Can go out. I'm ready for that.
Look, sunshine coming.
Nasty terrain. Nasty.
Oh.
But it's good learning.
Yeah, all wet.
Cameraman was alright. Good footage.
You even don't know how much they cost me stay in there where it's rain. Good luck. Oh. Yeah, wet.
Where?
Wet.
Where?
Turn around. Oh. Oh.
New fashion.
How long? One lap and finish, and we go home.
Another 30 miles, 2 specials. Then we work for the results for the Provo that we're ready for Dakar. We go home, we change, refuel the bike, change the tires, and we head to Morocco. That's the spirit. We have 14 minutes rest.
14.
Because I'm early, managed to get here early without risking, and I have 40 minutes to eat this thing, drink, bit of rest, and we have to be back on the start line and head to the fifth special test. Days, 6 laps, almost 100 miles, 6 Peugeot stages. Today I was riding smooth and felt slower because it was smoother, but I think it was even faster. And the thing is, strangely, yesterday I was gone, I couldn't move. Today, I'm ready for another day. Rear tire is gone, I have no traction. Up the hills, sloppy cliffs, muddy, I struggle with traction, really struggle. But I'm ready for the next day. If this was 3 days, no problems. I don't know how this happened, where it comes from. Just riding smooth. Bike is great, takes a lot of beating. It's overheating now because the radiator is packed with mud, so you should feel it now. Other than that, it's rear tire. Good for Dakar. No, so many people much faster than me. We wait for the classification. The guy supposed to be first broke the bike.
Oh.
So sorry. No, I'm really sorry because that's the guy who gave me the wheel bearings. So he deserved to win the race because he's good. But van is packed up, but it's muddy. No one to wash it here, so it has to be like this. Van is packed back in, a little bit less organized and less nice than to come over here, but that's understandable. Everyone is gone. Because why not? So happy days. I'll see you from the workshop, I guess.